in there today, mate.
Oh, hello. What are you doing here?
I got Paul and Harry on a pressure washing job.
Yeah.
I'm going to pop down and see him at some point today as well, just to see how they're getting on. Not that I need to check on them, but I like to go and see the finished results. You got Aaron and Craig up on a roof in Buckingham. So yeah, they're doing a scrape and treat up there, so if you can pop up there and see them. And we're moving on to a lovely property in Northampton. So that's a roof scrape and treat, I believe. Gutters, fascias, soffits, patio clean, driveway clean. So a full clean down really, sprucing it up for the summer, as we always say. Make sure you take your factor 50 with you because you're fair haired and you're going to burn.
Thanks.
But yeah, so yeah, that's pretty much the big stuff we've got for this week. So yeah, if you want to go and start catching up with the lads.
Oh, that's sweet.
Anyone wants to subscribe, we appreciate it. We like your views, thank you very much, and have a good week.
Rory.
Yes.
Cleaning patios. Is there purpose to it, or is it just to look good?
Well, yeah, I mean, it looks good. A lot of people get their patios done this time of the year for the summer to come.
Yeah.
But during the winter months and the damper months, an algae will form on the top of the slabs,
Yeah.
which is very slippery. So yeah, you're either going to go. I nearly said arse over tit, but I suppose that is the phrase, isn't it? But yeah, it's definitely, yeah. Especially with mosses and that as well. When things start to form in these cracks and crevices,
Where?
you get bits of moss or any growths, and then the root system will start to spread. So then you get all little growths. You'll end up with like a little carpet running all the way along your cracks and your crevices.
Okay.
Your joins of the tiles. So yeah, you want to get any bits of algae, dirt, grime, anything lifted, and just give you nice clean patio, perfect for barbecues, and non-slippy. So yeah, if you've got any older family members, you don't want going arse over tit. Keep your patio cleaned and your driveway. So yeah, prime example of why you should get your block paving cleaned. Really, I mean this is not a customer's pathway. This is a council pathway, I guess. But obviously, yes, it's not being looked after like some people who look after their own properties. But this is what happens. I mean, the blocks are down. You've got the sand that holds the blocks together. Your dry kiln sand is supposed to keep off the weeds and that, but as you can see, it doesn't. If you've got anything growing under there already that's rooted, when you clean it, it's just going to take the top off, and it's just going to keep growing. So you want to get all of that cleaned out the best you can. Either of it, even treated with biocide, would obviously get further down below the block and maybe kill off the root. But yeah, this is why you clean your driveway, because the longer it's left, the more it's going to grow, and you're going to end up with this crap everywhere, which is harder to clean. So yeah, stay on top of it, maintain it, and have a good looking driveway. Morning. I'm actually out on site today at White House Park. Paul and Harry have just carried out a patio and driveway clean, driveway with re-sand. It's come up very well. So yeah, just thought I'd come and have a little look, see how they got on. Yeah, it's self-explanatory really, it's a good job.
Hello. How you getting on?
Yeah, all right, man. Just got to be careful because the tiles are brittle.
You say you got a lot of broken tiles here?
Yeah, you can see where it's dark down the edge of it. It's been cracked for ages. It's the same with that one there because it's black inside it, so it's not something we've done. It's
Oh, that's a good indication.
So,
See how there's like, we've got tiles hanging out.
it's just an old roof. The house, well, they've lived here 37 years.
And this is
So,
the first time.
Yeah, literally. I mean, you look at that. It's just tiles pushed up.
Oh, wow. So have you got to go and
No,
just neaten them up?
Anyway,
Oh, you can do them.
see that there, they've had that replaced and that's been replaced in the wrong place and it's pushed that tile out. So that one
Ah.
won't push back up. So that's been replaced in the wrong place. It hasn't been replaced properly anyway. Where it's all green inside.
Yeah.
So that's where the moss has started to grow inside it. And that's what's cracked it basically. Yeah, that was knackered.
Hello.
You alright?
Yeah, not too bad.
How you getting on?
Not too bad. Bit tricky.
Why?
Quite a lot of loose tiles, so just got to be careful.
Yeah?
Yeah. I'm having to do some by hand. Make sure I don't knock any tiles off.
Are they that bad?
There is quite a few loose tiles here.
How long you been doing roofs for then as well?
Just under 2 years.
You got good experience.
I'd say so.
There's a few lifted tiles. Is that because there's moss growing underneath?
Yeah.
That's a lot of moss, or is that normal for a house, all this?
Yeah, that's just from this bit here.
Is that normal? Is that too much for a roof?
It's about normal.
Yeah?
Shouldn't be there, but it's about normal.
Yeah, you shouldn't have moss on your roof.
Mate, did you just see that? You look like Splinter off of the Turtles when you just pulled that face.